How to find iTunes backup folder on Windows PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open File Manager or File Explorer on your PC. Then in here, on the left side, click on This PC. Scroll down and click on Local Disk C. After you click on it, in here, you'll find Users. Click on Users. Now, select your profile, which is your username. After you've selected your profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Apple. After you click on Apple, click on MobileSync in here. After you click on MobileSync, click on Backup. After you click on Backup, and you will find your backup file in here in this way. This is how to find iTunes backup folder on Windows PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.